This is from start. Talk to them. Just be talking to them. Be talking.
Good student.
Good morning.
Good students. How are you guys doing?
Fine.
Hello, students. We're waiting for others. Let's wait for them for like 2 minutes.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma.
Afternoon, how are you?
Fine, thank you, ma.
We're waiting for others. In 1 minute, we'll start.
Okay.
Hello, Rejoice, how are you?
Fine, ma.
We are starting now. They will join us. Let's pray. In Jesus' name. In Jesus' name. Father, we pray as we start this lesson, we ask for wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. We ask for the Spirit of God to guide us through in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Okay. The topic today is basic programming. Basic programming. Basic programming. Your computer teacher, Halima Usman. Basic programming. Okay. Hello. We have basic.
Ma, please. Ma.
Hello, you said? Basic programming is the topic.
Ma, please, this one.
Basic programming.
Excuse me, ma.
Yes?
Ma, isn't this what we did last week Saturday?
Yes, we are repeating last week's topic. Hello, we are repeating last week's topic. Basic programming.
To copy notes. Ma, so there's no need to copy notes.
You said?
Ma, is there need to copy notes?
Do you have the notes already?
Yes, there's need. Copy your note.
Hello,
Yes,
if you have the
ma'am.
notes already, you don't need to copy the note. I will explain.
Okay, ma.
Ma, it's not everybody that has the note.
Oh, they'll send it as e-notes. Or I can send you the link for the YouTube.
Yes.
Basic programming is the topic.
Please send me the e-note.
Okay,
Do you
I'll
have the
send it.
notes?
Most of us have the notes.
Yes,
Yes.
you said you have the note already. Then let me explain.
Okay, ma.
Ew.
Hello, we have basic built-in. Basic built-in functions. We have basic built-in function. Basic built-in function. Built-in function, you can easily identify it by the function name. You can easily identify by the function name followed by bracket. Followed by bracket. For example, we have the function name SQR. Function name SQR is a short form of square root. short form of square root, short form of square root. It's a short form of square root. The number that we want to find the square root, the number you want to find the square root is placed inside the bracket, placed within the bracket. Remember I said we have function name as SQR, which is a short form of square root, and the number we want to find the square root is placed within the bracket. Is placed within the bracket. For example, you can see this function, we have this function and we have the meaning. The function and the meaning. SQR, open bracket, X, close the bracket. SQR, open bracket, X. It means to calculate the square root of X. Remember I said this, the function name, you can identify it by this. The function name is SQR. The number, what you want to find the square root is placed within the bracket, which is X. So which means to calculate the square root of X, the function name, this is how we write it, as SQR in bracket X. Then we have another one, which is int. Int. To convert numeric value X, to convert numeric value X to integer. Then we have sign. Sign, as in your sign, the normal sign, that's SIN. In bracket, that's the function name, sign. Then in bracket, you have X. In bracket, you have X, which means
Excuse me, ma'am.
I can hear you. You want to ask question? Hello?
Ma'am.
I can hear you.
This note, is it the one you sent for that we uploaded? This note, is it the one that was uploaded online?
Hello? You said?
The note, was it the one that was uploaded on YouTube?
Yes. Last week. Do you have last week's note?
Yeah, no.
And the same note. The same note.
Okay, now thank you. Goodbye.
You are welcome. Okay. We have, I said sign in brackets X. That means to calculate the sign of X. The sign of X. Then we have ABX, ABS. That ABX means absolute. Calculate the absolute value of X. Calculate the absolute value of X. Then we have RND. RND, that's round up X to specify number of decimal places. All these ones, they are function name. The one in bracket is what you want to find the square root. The letter you want to find the square root is the one inside the bracket. Then we have tan, written as TNA in bracket X. Calculate the what? The tangent of X. And we have log. Log in bracket, the same thing, to calculate the natural logarithm of what? X. Then we have EXP. EXP in bracket X, that's exponential. Exponential of X. Exponential. Now we have what we call Basic notations of mathematical expression. Basic notation of mathematical expression. This involves converting mathematical expression to basic expression. Basic notations of mathematical expression. This involves converting mathematical expression to basic expression. So we can see, can you see the slide? Hello? Hello?
Hi.
Please go back.
Can you see the slide, mathematical expression and basic expression?
Ma, please
Yes,
go back.
Ma.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we
Ma,
have this.
please go back.
We have A equal to pi r square. A equal to pi r square. In basic.
Ma, please.
Hello, in basic, it's written as A equal to pi asterisk r double asterisk 2. In basic, remember I said in mathematical expression we have A equal to pi r square, and in basic is A equal to pi asterisk r double asterisk 2 double asterisk 2, or you can write it this way: A equal to pi asterisk r, the correct sign, you have to. Can you see it?
Yes, ma.
Okay.
Now, why is it 2?
You said?
Why is it 2? Why is it 2?
Why is it 2?
As in the asterisk sign.
The asterisk, and why is it 2? I said,
Yes, ma.
why is 2? We use 1 for
Okay.
multiplication. Hello?
Okay.
When you see
Yeah,
1
I'm hearing you.
asterisk, means you want to multiply. When you have double
Okay.
asterisk, it means raised to power.
Okay, thank you, ma. And
You're
thank you,
welcome.
Ezra.
Okay. Then we have another one.
Welcome.
Another example. We have the square root of 25. Square root of 25 as in your mathematical expression. Then it's written in basic as SQR. SQR, that's the function name. SQR. Then open bracket. Remember the previous example, I said what you want to find the square root will be within the bracket. That means your 25 now represents the x. Do you understand?
Wow.
Do you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
ma.
ma.
Okay, the square root of 25 in basic is SQR, open bracket, 25. Then we have another one, which is the absolute value of x minus y. X minus y. In basic, the absolute value will be ABS,
Esther, bring
open
up phone, let me
bracket,
copy that.
open bracket, x minus y, open bracket, x minus y. We also have examples. You can see the examples there. You can see all the examples there. The mathematical expression.
Yes,
Esther,
ma.
internet connection is unstable. Search, check.
Hello, do you have question?
No,
No.
ma.
No, ma.
Okay. Do you understand how we get the mathematical expression and the basic expression?
Yes, ma.
No.
Yes, ma.
Okay. So can we continue?
Yes, ma.
Yes, ma.
Okay, the next slide is basic program. Basic program. Write a basic program to calculate. A basic program to calculate.
I go and look for network now.
Write a basic program to calculate the area of a circle.
Is it off?
A basic program to calculate the area of a circle. Okay. Can we see the solution? Hello?
Yes, we can see it.
Okay. I said write a basic program to calculate the area of a circle. Now, the first thing that will come to your mind if you want to write program. Okay, like your mathematics, if you want to find area of a circle, what's the formula?
By R square.
By R square. That's the first thing that will come to your mind. Now we want to write a program to find the area of a circle. We know the formula already. We know the formula. And our pi is what?
Stay there.
Hello? Pi is what?
22 over
22 over 7.
22 over 7. Okay, yes, now we want to start. In basic, we have what we call line number. We have hello.
Hi. Hi.
Okay. In basic, we have what we call line number. We have what we call line number. The line number is the numbers that you see on the screen. We have, you can see 10, 20, 30. You can see 10, 20, 30. It's the line number. Your line number, you can use any number to represent the line number. Hello, do you understand? You can use, you can use any number to represent your line number, provided the number is a whole number. Hello?
Hi.
Provided the number is a whole number. So in this program, I'm using 10.
Hi.
You can use 5, you can use 1, provided it's a whole number. So 10. 10 CLS. In basic, we call this one CLS. That means to clear the screen. To clear the screen. Why do we clear screen? That means if you have any figure in your computer memory, it will what? It will clear it. Hello?
Hi.
Okay, CLS to clear what? The screen. You can write your program without the CLS, but it's better you write it to clear the screen to remove what you already have on the computer memory. Do you understand? Then line number 20 is RAM. Line number 20 is RAM. That means RAM means remark. RAM means remark. Remark is a statement. Calculate the area of a circle. Then we have line number 30. Line number 30, input. Input. Remember we said the formula for finding area of a circle is what? The formula is what?
Pi R square.
Pi R square. That means the pi R square, we are going to input what? The radius of a circle, R.
Yes, ma'am.
Line number 30, input radius of a circle, R. Then we have line number 40. Line number 40, this one is let pi equal to 22 over 7. Let your pi, we want to declare it For the computer to know that our pi is what? 22/7.
7.
Okay. Now, line number 50. Line number 50. Let area equal to pi. Let area equal to pi, the asterisk sign, r, double asterisk 2. Do you know how we get the formula? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
You know how we get the formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no, ma'am.
Hello? From the example, I said the formula of area is what? Pi r square. And somebody asked question. I said, where you have double asterisk means raised to power 2. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Double asterisk means what? Raised to power 2. Single
Yes.
asterisk means
multiplication.
Multiply. Yes. When you are multiplying, you use what? Single asterisk.
Single asterisk.
Then when you want to raise to power, any raise to power is what? Double asterisk. And I said you can use another thing to represent the double asterisk. What is that? What is the other sign?
Ampersand.
Ma, it's like arrow.
Ampersand.
It's like ampere.
Okay.
Ampersand.
Okay, I said we have the single asterisk and we have the double asterisk. And I said you can also use the correct sign that you said is like arrow raised to power. Okay. Now, line number 60. Line number 60.
Area.
Print what?
Area.
Yes. We print area. Then line number 70 is what? End. Line number 70, end. Do you have question?
No, ma'am.
No, ma.
So you mean you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If I ask you to write a program now, if I ask you to write program, hello?
I don't understand.
If I ask you to write program, you said?
I never said I understood.
Okay. I said when you are asked to write any program, when you are asked to write program, the first thing that will come to your mind is the formula. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
The formula. Which formula? Just go back to your mathematics. You have to find the area of a circle. Go to your mathematics. Which formula can you use to find the area of a circle? That's the first thing that will come to your mind. Then we said the formula is what? Pi r square. Do you understand? Hello?
Pi r square.
If you want to find the area of a circle, you use what? Pi r square. That's the formula for finding area of a circle. Then, now, to write the program, you are going to apply the what? The formula. You are going to apply the formula in your program. No, and the formula, the R, in mathematics, we know that the R, we don't know the R, but we know the pi as what? 22 over what?
7.
22 over 7. So that's the pi. But we don't know the R, the radius. So now we said, we have the line numbers. I said the first one is to what? CLS, to clear the screen. And I explained why we have to clear the screen. Hello?
Why?
Okay. Line number 10.
Hi.
I said we have what we call line number in basic. We have line number in basic, and this line number, I said you can use any number to represent the line number. You can use any number, provided the number is a whole number. Do you understand?
Yes, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In this my program, I'm using 10. You can decide to use 1, 2, depends on you. I'm using 10. I say line number 10 is CLS, to clear the screen. I say why you have to clear the screen is to do what? If you have any figure already stored in your computer memory, you have to clear it first. You can decide not to put the CLS. You can write your program without the CLS. Do you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
ma.
ma'am.
Okay. Then the next line is line 20, rem. That rem is a short form of remark. Short form of what? Remark.
Remark.
It's just to tell you, just to tell the people the program you want to write on, how the program look like. Is a remark, is a statement. That one you are not going to calculate it. When you are applying the formula, it's not going to be among the program, the execution part. It's just a remark, just what the program is going to do. Do you understand? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we
Ma,
have
wait, I have a question.
Okay.
Ma, you said it's not necessary to put the clear whatever there.
Yes.
Ma, does that mean that the one on the second line, can we put it under 10 instead of us to just, or we should just start from 20?
Yes. Yes, you can put it under 10.
Okay, ma'am.
You can write your program without CLS. The CLS is just for you to clear, like sometimes when you are using your calculator, you know, sometimes you have some figures already stored there. Do you understand?
Yes,
When you are
ma'am.
using calculator, sometimes you store some figures there. So this CLS is for you to remove that figures already stored. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can write the program without CLS.
Yes, ma'am.
Then line number 20, rem, I said is a remark. Is a remark just to tell you what the program, how the program will look like, just the title. Then we have line number 30, input. Remember I said our radius R, we don't know. So you have to input the figure. Do you understand? We don't know what is R. You have to input the R. That's why we put input there. Then line number 40, let. You have to let the computer know that your pi is equal to 22/7. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to let the computer know that the pi is 22/7. So that computer can use 22/7 as pi. Then we have line number 50. Let area equal to pi, that's pi r square. In basic, we don't write it as in your mathematics. We write it as this: pi, the asterisk sign, r double asterisk 2. R double asterisk. I say double asterisk means raised to power of 2. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Then line number 60, print area. Line number 60, it will now print your answer. It will print your answer. Then line number 70, end. You must always end your program. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have question now?
No, ma'am.
Do you have question?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No.
So if I ask you to write program now, if I ask you to write program.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. We have this. Evaluation. We have this evaluation. I want you to solve this now. Tell me the answer. Express y equal to ax raised to power 2 plus bx minus c in basic notation.
Okay, ma. Y equals to open bracket x asterisk. Y equals to open bracket a asterisk x double
ax
asterisk.
square plus
Yes, ma.
bx.
You said that.
Okay.
Y equals to open bracket a asterisk x double asterisk 2 close bracket plus open bracket b asterisk x close bracket minus c.
Correct.
Woo! Woo! Oh my God. Where is Joy? See me here.
Hello, do you have question?
No, ma.
No, ma.
Ma.
If you have question, ask.
If you have question, ask. To ask question, you have question, ask. So if there is no question, no question.
Yes, ma.
Okay. Okay, let me give you assignment. Write a basic program. Write a basic program. Hello. A basic program to calculate the perimeter.
Ma, please, can you show it on this slide?
No.
Yes,
No, copy it.
Ma, are you dictating it?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Why now?
Ma, please show it on the slide.
Hello.
What if you can't hear?
Write a basic program.
Ma, we can't hear you.
No, keep quiet. Write a basic program. Hello.
Hi.
Write a basic program. Keep.
Ma, we are not here.
I
Ma,
hear
please
baby
just
crying
type
here.
Whose baby is crying?
My baby.
Okay. Okay. I said write a basic program to calculate. A basic program to calculate the perimeter. Basic program to calculate the perimeter of a circle. Write a basic program. A basic program to calculate the perimeter. Is that taken? Hello?
Yes, ma.
Okay. So,
Ma, is that all?
yes. A basic program. Remember I said
Okay,
first thing that will come to your mind is what? The formula.
to clear the screen.
No, the formula. The formula.
Okay, ma.
Okay. Now you are going to submit it today.
Ma, but ma.
You are going to submit today.
Ma, please no. Ma, please repeat it.
Submit today to my email address, or you can use my WhatsApp number.
So ma, what is your
Ma,
give
Ma,
us
what's
what
your
is
your
give us
email
your
address?
number?
Okay.
Ma, please.
I will display it.
Okay, ma.
Hey, it's not there. Hello.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi.
Ma, put up your own email address.
I am coming. I said I will display it now.
Again, Ionic.
I swear,
You
you
see
knew
it
what
now?
was on my mind.
Ma, what if you submitted other assignments to the other one?
Yes.
Wow.
Zionic praise.
Or you can use this number.
Zionic praise.
Okay, ma, let me write down your number.
Ma, your birthday is around the corner. Oh.
Yes, so happy birthday in advance.
You people, Mr. Iron's birthday just passed.
Yes, we didn't have his number.
Ma, happy birthday in advance.
Please tell him happy birthday in arrears.
All of us.
Okay.
Go back to the slide. You're not seeing it.
Mama, don't see.
Precious. Hello, Precious. Precious, pray for us to end the meeting.
And I'm starting on the one.
Woo!
Precious.
Pastor, Pastress,
Jesus' name.
Hello, Precious.
now.
Please, once you send me
They are
the
rounding
number.
up. They are rounding up.
We are rounding up.
I know. They are
And I want
rounding
you to submit the assignment today.
Okay, ma.
Not today.
Yes.
Ma, don't worry. You can count on us.
Okay.
Don't worry. Submit it.
Wait, you sent for me,
Okay,
ba?
Precious. We are waiting for you.
Don't worry. I'll help you.
Faith, I book. Oh.
It's me too.
Daniel, please do for plenty.
Faith,
Faith do for plenty people.
pray for us.
You lazy
We're ending the...
Mommy,
Yes.
No,
Praise.
it's not
in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen.
Please close your eyes. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen. Father, I say thank you for this wonderful class. We give you all the glory. May your name be highly exalted in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen.
We ask that everything which will be taught shall remain in our memories in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen.
Thank you, Jesus, for answering our prayers. For in Jesus' name we
Amen.
pray.
Amen.
God bless everyone.
And
God
bless you
bless you
too.
too.
Mic
See you
drop.
next class.
Boom.